We all believe that prevention is better than cure. Same as early identification and early intervention are very much important for the children with a special need. The entire period of physical and mental immaturity is termed as child development. And this period begins with conception and it extends to the period of adolescence. 90% of brain develop occur between birth and 8 years of age, and this time very important and significant when body and brain most receptive to intervention. So don't be late, but before intervention you should go for early identification first. Every child passes through certain stage at particular time in their life. Child reach developmental milestones at their own pace. So you can see in your family, two siblings has reached their developmental milestones in different pace. Temporary and minimal developmental delays are usually not for cause for alarm. We cannot say कि this is time for go for intervention or identification. No. Developmental delay are common in children, occur in 10% to 15% of preschool children. But global developmental delay means multiple developmental delays less common in children's, occurring 1% to 3% only of preschool children's. Developmental delay occur when child does not achieve developmental milestones in comparison to peer of the same age. You can understand by this example, a child is expected to walk between 9 to 15 months, but child cannot walk by the 20 months, so would be considered to have a developmental delay. Developmental delay in could be one domain and sometimes could be multiple domains like thinking, walking, social, communication. If developmental delays are detected late, then opportunities of intervention lost. Result of poor in sense of learning disability, problem in behavior, functional impairment can see in their life. There is strong research based evidence that early identification of the developmental delays and early intervention can change child's difficulties for their long life. Some children will have disability for whole life, but with intervention intervention can help them to gain strength and ability. So here is the question: who can identify the developmental delays or these concerns? So answer is, whenever you suspect your child has developmental delay, so speak to their pediatrician. Sometimes these concerns, preschool raises these concerns. The pediatrician will refer to the child out for an evaluation by psychologist or pediatrician neurologist. When you get proper diagnosis, then you can plan for therapies and early interventions. Interventions mean identification and proper effective support to the child for their growth, for their development. Basically, intervention, early intervention is a teamwork. Intervention strategies depend on the type of developmental delays child has, as well as how the child has diagnosed. Early intervention include therapies like speech therapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy, psychological counseling, vision therapy, so on. So if early intervention not provide on time, then child can face problem in their long life. So intervention to be likely more effective and economical when administered at early age, like 0 to 3 years. So child can strength and ability to overcome their difficulties for their long life. So I hope now you can understand the importance of early identification and intervention. So this much for today. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.